This week we have 8 vocabulary cards that go along with Lesson 16. Here is our first vocabulary word, received. The boys received some money for raking leaves in the yard. Let's read it together. Received. What does it mean? When you have received something, someone has given it or sent it to you. Received. Our second vocabulary word, account. The girl opened a bank account with the money from her allowance. Let's read it together. Account. What does it mean? If you have an account at a bank, you leave your money with the bank and take money out when you need it. Account. Our third vocabulary word, budget. A budget is a plan for how you should spend your money. Let's read it together. Budget. What does it mean? A budget is a plan of how to spend the money that you have. Budget. Our fourth vocabulary word, disappointed. He was disappointed or sad that he would not be able to buy the book. Let's read it together. Disappointed. What does it mean? When you are disappointed, you feel unhappy because something you hoped for did not happen. Disappointed. Number 5, chuckled. Her dad chuckled when he saw her tiny piggy bank. Let's read it together. Chuckled. What does it mean? If you chuckled about something, you laughed quietly. Chuckled. Number 6, staring. The girl was staring at the money. Should she save it or spend it? Let's read it together. Staring. What does it mean? If you were staring at something, you were looking at it for a long time. Staring. Our seventh vocabulary word, repeated. The car wash was such a big success that the class repeated it in May. Let's read our new word together, repeated. What does it mean? If you repeated something, you did it or said it again. Repeated. And our eighth vocabulary word, fund. The players got new shirts by raising money for the team fund. Let's read it together. Fund. What does it mean? A fund is a collection of money that is raised from an activity or an event and set aside for a special purpose. Fund. These are our 8 vocabulary words that go along with Lesson 16.